Hello guys, this is a quick video about how to do handy construction assemblies for quick estimates on your phone. And for that, we're going to use an app that is used in restaurants to determine the cost of dishes in the restaurant. And basically, we're going to use that because it's the same process. The same way that you build a house or a construction project, it's the same way that you do a dish. Why? Because it's the same thing. You have ingredients, you have equipment, and you have people. So now that out of the way, we're going to start with sodding. Sodding was the item that we used in our previous video, and we're going to use that information to create this assembly. So if you remember correctly, we had 4 laborers, 1 skid steer, 1 equipment operator, and that would produce about 2,000 square meters per day of sod installed. But knowing that, we need to convert that into a per meter square so we can use it for our quick estimates. So, and basically to do that, you will need to know how to do the proportion. So in this case, for instance, if one of those ingredients took 8 hours to produce 2,000 square meters, how many hours are required per square meter? So basically what you will need to do in this case is divide the 8 hours by the 2,000 square meters, and you get that value of 0.04 hours per square meter. We will need later to reproduce this with each item. So as you see here on this table, we did the calculation for each item to calculate the hours required per square meter. So now that you have that information, now you can go to the app now and transfer this data, which is actually the most difficult part. But so let's go to the app. We click on it, and as soon as you click on the app, we're gonna go to the ingredients. So the ingredients are the items that we had in the previous table, which I already have them all here. But in case you want to add one, it's very simple. You just click on the green button there at the bottom where I have the finger there. And basically you will just write the name of the ingredient that you are inputting, and then you add the price, and then you click save, and that's it. You see there that it was added. Now we want to go to the actual recipe, which is the assembly, and we're going to call it sodding over 8,000 square feet per square meter. And you see there I'm adding the first item, and notice that I need to use the proportion that we calculated in the previous table. Then you click add ingredient, and you repeat the process for all of them, and that's exactly how it's supposed to look like. And then right at the bottom, you're gonna see the price, that is $7.52. And pretty much, thank you.